First of all, you know I don't like Star Trek. But yet somehow enough of you wanted me to watch a bad lip reading of The Empire Strikes Back. Are you serious? Seagulls. I'm already disappointed in you. I hate birds. I hate Star Trek. I don't hate it. Now, Galaxy Quest, that's my jam. All right, this better be good.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
It's nothing a little music can't help. Rockin', rockin' and rollin'.
I hate you. I hate you.
Down to the beach I'm strolling, but the seagulls poke at my head. Not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now.
I can hear myself singing this already.
Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did.
It's good. It's actually good.
I'm going like, nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing. And then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it
Shut up! This is so stupid.
got hit in the neck with a hacky sack? Where'd it come from? Now run, jump. I can be a backpack while you run, jump, and stop. Put me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Stop it, please. Don't hit me. Please. Don't hit me.
Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
Fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will back your face. Now run, jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift rocks with your special gift. Run, jump. Now breathe. That's good.
That's good.
Like that. One day I was walking.
Oh, my
and
God.
found this big log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder while you're lying there screaming, come help me, please. The seagulls poke your knees. Stop it now.
Yeah, whatever, you're sort of pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep.
It's so good. It's so terrible, but it's so good. It's so catchy. It's got soul. I can't even be mad at that. I can't even be mad at the fact that you made me say it like mad. I can't even be mad at that. Oh my God. Also, can I just tell you that it was very good that something finally happened on screen that I could use. Oh, what's that? Who did that? Who did that? Zeno! Oh, Zeno, thank you, buddy. Just in time. Something finally happened on screen where I could use it to show you this is what it's like to be Liz's friend.
Box with your special gift. Run, run,
Wait.
jump, now breathe.
Right here. This is me trying to do a live stream, and this is Liz.
That's good. Like that. Like that.
Like that. Heavy breathing. Like that. Yup. Zeno, thank you for the gifted subs, buddy. It's so good.
One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick.
God, I'm going to be walking around talking like this now. I'm going to get some coffee. And that's going to have a baby coffee. And I'm going to drink that too.
And I was like, that log had a child.
Hey, Yoda is high.
Listen, boy, someday when you are older.
It's so good. I hate that I love it so much. I really wanted to be mad at you for this. Oh, man. What's that stank? That was good. Damn you. There is zero reason I should have enjoyed that as much as I did.